talked with 4 brokers over about a year's time, and when I found your company, the confidence level that I had after talking to you guys, it sold me on that you were the ones that I wanted to. The pricing that you gave me, I felt was fair. You explained your pricing. You explained the entire process to me before we signed the contract. You told me exactly what I would need to do, what would happen, how it would happen, and by the way, you were spot on. I was concerned that my customers and my employees would find out that I was selling the business, and I wanted to make sure that it was confidential. And by the way, you did a great job of that. When I looked on the webpage after you listed it, I had to wonder, is that really mine? So you did a great job of the way you explained it perfectly, but there's no way could you tie it back to my business and know exactly who it was that you were talking to. That was very important to me when we were selling the business. And also I wanted to protect my employees. I didn't want them to leave because I wanted them to know that I was hiring a good broker that was going to find a good buyer for my business and that they wasn't going to move it or tear it apart. Yes, you did a great job vetting out the buyers. And the people that you brought to see the plan and to meet with me, and they were great people. All of them had experience. They all were. You just did a great job vetting them out. I felt very confident when we left, and it got to the end when we got the LOIs from these different people. We narrowed it down to, I think you had 4 LOIs to choose from, 4 good quality buyers that. It's been 4 months now that you come back to visit with me and see how things are going, and I don't regret it for a second. They're really, really good people that you brought in to buy the business. I never had to go through any of this without your friend. Celebrated Manufacturing Brokers was there for me the entire way. They would call me and talk to me about everything that was going on. They always were here with any time there was a buyer here. If there was a telephone call, there was a 3-way call, they were on the telephone call. It was you held my hand all the way through it, and it really made it easy. After the sale, I was given the opportunity to stay on and do some things for the company, and I elected to do that for a short time period. And the buyers have been just absolutely great. They let me do the things in the company that I like to do. I told them what I wanted to do, the parts of the company that I like doing, and they allowed me to do that. So that has been great for me. I'm just thankful because it's a one-time deal selling a business. I've had this business for 25 years, and you only have a chance to sell your business one time. And it's really, really important that you find somebody that's going to help you and make sure that you find the right person and get the right price. And it was all around a great deal for me, and I'm so happy that I connected with Accelerated Manufacturing Brokers. Absolutely, I would recommend Accelerated Manufacturing Brokers. They did a great job for me. They told me exactly what to expect, and the staff is unbelievably great. I became first name basis with them. If I needed help with anything or any questions, I could pick the phone up. They always gave me a good answer. It was the whole team. It was a team process, and I definitely would recommend them.